Ahoy mates, and welcome aboard the Admiral Joe Fowler. We will be arriving at our destination in just a few moments. On our way, we will travel 1 mile across the man-made 7-season tunnel. It took almost 3 years to excavate. We do ask that while on board, the stairs remain clear while the boat is in the air. We would also like to remind you that smoking is not permitted at Walt Disney World theme parks and water parks, except in designated areas. Please consult your guide map or ask a cast member for the location of designated smoking areas. Because this is a free-floating vessel, we do have a tendency to bounce around a bit during docking. If you are standing or sitting on the stairs, we ask that you please clear the stairway. Everyone else, please remain where you are until we've completed our docking. Once again, please clear the stairways. You will be given an all clear when it is safe to travel the stairs and go ashore. Por favor, manténganse alejados de las escaleras. At this time, we have given the all clear to go ashore. Please gather all your personal belongings, take small children by the hand, and watch your step as you disembark. Those on the upper deck, please use the handrails when descending to the lower deck. On behalf of the crew, thank you for sailing with us.